flashing. I think it's recording. Yeah. Okay, 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, all the way down here, you're clear at the merge, clear at the merge. Square left. Hey, hairpin left. Hope that didn't work. No worries, mate. Happy days. Okay, so we've got square right, 45 left, 90 left, 90 right, open right, open left, I missed that, sorry. And then we've got this long open right, tightens, comes up to a 90 left, possibly a 45 right. I'm going to call that a square next time, mate. Well, it's just straight on circuit. I want to call that square. Okay. Left. Okay. 90 left opens. 90 left opens. Same arrangement with the splits, mate. You're staying to the left hand side and it's flat. Stay left. Open right, open left. And then this is a new piece of tarmac here. I'm going to call it as a square right first. Looks like it is. There we go. So it's square right, square left. '90 right. Chicane. Square left into merge. You're all clear, mate. All clear. 90 left. Hairpin left. 45 left. Square right. 45 left. 90 left. 90 right. Open right, open left. Long open right, tightens into square left. Onto the main circuit again. 90 left opens. 90 left opens. Same as last lap, you stay to the left. Stay to the left. Open right, open left. Square right. Square left. '90 right. Box chicane. Square left at the merge. All clear at the merge, mate. All clear. Square left. Hairpin left. 45 left. Square right. 45 left. 90 left. 90 right. Open right. Open left. Long open right, tightens. Square left. 90 open left, opens. Open left, opens. This time we're going to go right into the Sear coach. Okay. Right here, and then we've got the hairpin left. Over finish.
That's quick.
Mate, that's as good as I've ever seen you drive a stage, mate, that.
Yeah?
You happy with that?
I am happy with that, yeah.
You were on that, mate. You were neat, you were tidy. That was fucking excellent, mate. Well done.
Coming from the start finish to know that first little bit where it goes left and then it goes right and then onto the gravel.
Whereabouts that?
Right from
yeah,
here. On the way down there, I was tapping the brake
I
with my
noticed.
left leg, and then when we got to the end, we were like, fucking hell, I've got it.
Well, it works then, doesn't it? So there's something going on at the back that's doing that. I saw you tapping it, and I'm glad you told me that. It's reassuring now. We know what it's.
Yeah.
It's knock off at the back, isn't it?
It is knock off, definitely.
Yeah. Thank you, mate.